My name is Mia Finley. I'm going to talk to you about volcanoes. Here are some unknown facts. Pahoehoe lava cools to form a smooth, black lava, just like my dog Sally. Come on, girl. Come on. Lava hurts to walk on. A shield volcano is wider than it is high. A cinder cone volcano has a big crater because when it explodes, the volcano blows its top. A composite volcano looks like a tall mountain. The ring of fire wraps around the Pacific Ocean. It has 452 volcanoes. Some of Hawaii's beaches are black and they're made of little pieces of lava, just like this volcano rock, obsidian. My cause and effect was pressure builds up, causing the volcano to erupt. Now I'm going to show you how a volcano really erupts with a Diet Coke bottle. When I put the Mentos into this Diet Coke bottle, pressure will build up just